Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create an AI generated video using Canva. But let me clarify, we are not going to create a video from some sort of text to video generator. It is not like Sora from OpenAI or from some AI models that allows you to create a video by describing it using text. No, we cannot do that in Canva. Canva doesn't have such a feature at the moment. But the kind of video that we can have in Canva that is generated by AI is much more akin to a slideshow video that you can hear the music, you can see the text, and also there are some pictures accompanying the text and the music. So it's a very simple video, and yet it is made by AI. So here's how you can create one using Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open a video template, not an image template, but it has to be a video. So you can go to file and you can select create new design, and then you can select a video format. There could be plenty of options here, but I'm gonna go with a simple 1080p video. And after that, after you open a video template, you can go to design, and on the template section there is this menu that says generate videos instantly. This is a brand new feature and we are going to utilize this tool. Click on it, and now you have to select up to 10 images. The minimum is 3. You can upload a new image, or you can also select select pictures from your library. I'm going to select these 3 pictures that I got from my Canva library, and I'm going to tell AI about what to do with these pictures. I want to create a video about Christmas. This is not the best description, of course, but I just want to show you an example that the AI will do its work to populate the video with some other text that is related to this topic. And after that, you can click generate to generate the video. This process is actually pretty quick. It's a lot quicker than actually generating an image. So that's something. Okay, now we got this result and we can play the video to see what it's going to look like. Yeah, that is the result. It's very close to a slideshow video, but I think it's very useful if you want to create a greeting cards or a greeting video using this tool. It's definitely on the table, and you might also create some sort of presentation using this video, because you just need to tell or describe the video, and then the AI will do the rest. It will decide the animation, it will decide the transition, the music, and the text, the style, the font size, the emoji, etc. So there are a lot of things that AI will do, and it will help us generate a video way faster. So anyway, if you like this tutorial, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.